So what about the really crazy media support here? Let's say you're really limited in your controllers, like you have only one small launchpad and that's it, you don't have anything. And you're planning what you wanted to buy, or maybe you're right now tight on a budget and you don't want to spend extra money. So, cases could be the different, and you're experiencing some limitations in the controls, in physical controls. So right now, as you can see on the screen, I have some weird setup here, and you might ask, what does it do? And I will explain you right now what does it do. I have two different set of dials here, and one of them is controlling volume for clip number 1 and balance for clip number 1 as well. Then the second set is controlling volume for clip number 2, this one, and as well balance for clip number 2. So let's move them a bit like that, so it's more obvious what does it do. And now we have a really cool, interesting trick here inside the Loopy Pro. If we will go to our MIDI learn, we can see here that we have a different profiles here. So if I will switch to profile number 1 and go inside this profile and then say, I'm going to this dial, move this knob, going to second dial, move this knob, then I will switch to profile number 2. Press here, move the same knob, press here, move the same knob. Great. I have two different mappings now. So as you can see, this dial works here for the yellow clip. And if I will go to MIDI learn and switch to profile number 1, the same two dials or knobs will work now for this clip. And I already created two buttons here with action, switch profile to number 1 and switch profile for number 2. And now that's easy. Boom, I'm controlling this. Boom, I'm controlling this. And you can map as many parameters as you want to different control profiles. If you're having these 8 knobs here on your INKIE, you can multiply by 10, by 8, by 5, by 3, by any number you want. And as I told you before, if you're limited in controls, you can create a really complex layout even with just a simple MIDI controller, but then inside Loopy you're just switching profiles and you have control for everything, just even with small launchpad. And if you imagine, for example, in Launchpad MK3 Pro, you're using the custom mode. So you have custom pages on Launchpad, you can have 8 of them, then inside Loopy you can switch between 2 different profiles. You already have 16 custom layouts.